Inclined impact testing is used to evaluate the ability of a pallet or package system to withstand sudden horizontal impacts. This test simulates real-world events, such as collisions during handling or transport, by propelling the test sample into a fixed barrier at a controlled velocity. Inclined impact testing is important because it helps identify potential structural weaknesses, reduce the risk of product damage, and support the development of more robust packaging systems. Common standards include ASTM D880, ASTM D4169, and ISTA 3E, which define procedures for conducting impact tests under consistent, repeatable conditions. To sum this all up, inclined impact testing supports product integrity, operational efficiency, and supply chain reliability. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on Keystone's testing capabilities, please visit www.keystonepackage.com.